Guys, so nakarating na nga kami dito sa Cebu guys, and this is our room. So we check in here at Mercure Hotel via Klook, discounted. At ang bait nila guys kasi in-upgrade nila ang aming room ng may ocean view since first time daw namin mag-check-in dito guys. Jim, come on, open Jim. Yan, so this is the bed. And meron ring extra bed guys na dadalhin dito. So, ito lang siya. Ito kami sa Mega World, the Mactan New Town guys. So, since nag-check-in kami sa Mercure Hotel guys, we have a free access to the beach. Yung Mactan Beach ata yun, hindi ko alam kung anong exact na name ng beach. Pero, yeah, I'll show you later guys. Let's go. Wait. Good evening, sir. Shala. Good evening po.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you po. May fireworks guys. So, ito yung beach, guys. Dini, baba, di, white sand. Nag-low tide din. High tide doon. So guys, dito lang kami sa Newtown, Mactan Beach guys. So pumunta kami dito guys para mag-sightseeing kasi mag-swimming kami early tomorrow kasi gabi na and marami din tao sa pool. So ito guys is kasama sa aming accommodation, sa aming hotel accommodation. May free access na kami dito and free access din sa pool ng mismong hotel. And yeah, yun. So babalik kami dito tomorrow guys. Maayong buntag Cebu. So today guys ay pupunta kami sa Newtown Beach dahil may access kami sa beach na yun guys sa chinek-inan namin na hotel. So it's just 5 to 7 minute walk from our hotel guys. So yeah. Sama ko yung dalawang bata guys. Andyan sila sa harap o naglalakad sila. So actually guys, meron silang free shuttle going to the beach. Kaso every hour lang kasi guys na pumupunta kaya naglakad na lang kami guys. Malapit lang naman siya. So guys, ito yung harap ng beach. Actually guys, pumunta na kami dito last night. Nag-sightseeing lang kami. Then babalik kami ngayon kasi mas maganda yung view during the day. So meron kaming ganito guys para ma-access namin yung beach. So guys, this is the swimming pool. So guys, nag-order ako ng buffalo wings dahil gutom na ako guys. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast, then rice and watermelon shake. Masarap tong watermelon shake guys. Medyo mahal lang dito guys. Pero understood naman kasi parang private kasi siya guys, na resort.